I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hey everybody, it's Kyle,
It's Ryan.
and today's roller coaster ride, we're going to check out the new GoPro Gimbal and its stability on the motorcycle. So stick around and watch all this amazing footage as my beautiful wife shows you how it's done.
So you, me, and the spider know it's not real, but still, I keep checking it, making sure it's not gonna move. Now, if that doesn't prove how terrified I am of spiders, I don't know what would.
Man, this gimbal's working awesome. Everybody's got to try to get, woo! Look at that sexy motor. She's so shiny. Nice.
So we're enjoying a nice little ride. And babe, what do we have to do?
Battery swap out. We've ran through 2 batteries, 1 big battery. Now we're hoping we have enough batteries to get the last few areas we're riding to in. But we'll see. These GoPros eat through batteries pretty quick. But we're hoping to get some pretty good footage for you guys.
Then say party.
Okay, so right here we're kind of cruising through the park, and we noticed some gas-powered airplanes. They got a runway and everything else, and if you kind of look to the sky, we were trying to get it, but you can see one taking off and flying through and across in front of us. It's actually pretty cool.
Well, hi there, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, man. You're a lot braver than me. I would have done lost my stuff.